Now, I will visit three interesting destinations in my city, with a starting point from my home in Kalibukbuk Village, Lopina. The first route is to Panembahan Beach, then Sunda Kecil Museum at the former Buleleng Harbor, and the last is Bung Karno Park in Sukasada District. Hi! Now, I'm at Panembahan Beach, and I will tell you many things about this place. And this is the first destination of three destinations I will visit. Panembahan Beach is located in Baktisraga Village, Buleleng District, Bali. The distance is only about 6 kilometers from my home, which takes about 10 minutes. This beach has a stunning natural panorama with clear sea water. In addition, the beach is also surrounded by green hill and shady trees, adding to its natural beauty. I come here in the morning rather than in the afternoon or evening to breathe fresh air. The beach was not too crowded like in the afternoon or evening, where people come to enjoy the sunset. You can find many culinary vendors along the road, which usually open in the afternoon to evening. But there are also some that have started to open from the morning. I come here quite often, of course because the distance is not too far from my home. And now I'm looking for breakfast with my friend. As well as interacting with this sweet cat. Look how beautiful she is and cute. I love cats so much. So much. Okay, back to the topics. Beside the roadside stall, we can also find other dining option at Panembahan Beach. There is an option in the front of a restaurant which is located not far from the row of street stall. Do not forget that the entrance ticket is only 5,000 rupiah for one person, and even that in the afternoon, because in the morning there is usually no one guarding, so I can hear for free. Then, not far from the source, there is a stretch of green rice fields developed by local residents, which is very interesting and refreshing to the eyes. Capturing photo in a place with this combination of scenery will look quite unique. In addition, Panembahan Beach is also often visited by turtles to lay eggs. Usually the turtles will be busy laying eggs from May to August. So that makes the turtle breeding basin on Panembahan Beach crowded. But now, the number of turtle laying eggs is very small. Very small. And I think that's a problem. Related to its history, this beach was used as a waiting place for goods that will be sent by sea. Therefore, this beach was named Panembahan Beach. However, over time, this place became a popular tourist destination for tourists looking a different experience in Indonesia, especially in Bali. Okay, maybe that's all, and now we will go to the second road, or second place. Hello, now I'm at the former Buleleng Harbor. This place is one of the places I often visit when I return home from my university in Uniksa, and it's a place full of history. The distance only 12 kilometers from my home, and this location became the center of Bali Island traffic from outside the island and even abroad. Until now, there are several historical attractions that can be visited in this area of Explosion Buleleng, including the Yude Mandala Monument that stands as a symbol of the struggle against the Dutch colonial era Buleleng, with statue of fighter raising the red and white flag while looking out to sea. Of course, I will not let go of how beautiful the blue sea is in the morning, plus the fresh air and atmosphere that spoil the eyes. Then, the most interesting things in this area for me is Sunda Kecil Museum, which display a collection of historical objects and posters that tell the history of Lesser Sunda province in a modern style that still respect its historical value. Honestly, I love going to places like this with my friend, and we enjoy it as well as adding to our knowledge of history of our region. The museum opened at 8 in the morning and closed at 3 in the afternoon. And for the entrance ticket, I paid 10,000 for one person. Okay, Museum Sunda Kecil is a special museum to explain the history of Singgarai City and the character of I Gusti Ketutpuja. Museum Sunda Kecil is thematic museum with a historical theme. The collection on display starts with a relics of Governor of Sunda Kecil. Sunda Kecil Museum will also provide information starting from the history of the former Buleleng Fort since the 18th century as a trade center. The next information is the period of control of Bali by the Dutch East Indies in 1846 and the selection of Singgarai City as the center of government. Furthermore, information is provided on the construction of ports, terminal, office, and bridge in Buleleng. Other information provided in the museum is about Buleleng Regency, which was once of center of government of Sunda Kecil province at the beginning of Indonesian independence in 1945 until 1958. Sunda Kecil Museum also provides information about the Sunda Kecil area, which includes Bali, West Nusa Tenggara, and East Nusa Tenggara. The Sunda Kecil Museum building is a Dutch area heritage building in the old port area of Buleleng. The former Buleleng Harbor is also home to the Ling Wan Kiong Tridharma temples, a place of worship for the Tridharma faithful that has extended since the 18th century. Well, not to make this too long, and we will move to our last destination. Hi! Now we have arrived to our last destination, Bung Karno Park in Sukasada, Buleleng. This place is large and a beautiful tourist destination. The distance is only about 15 kilometers from my home, and this place can be enjoyed by the general public who want to explore the history and enjoy the stunning scenery. dedicated in honor of Bung Karno and completed in 2021. The park was built in memory of the first president of the Republic of Indonesia, who had a strong family, like I said before, ties to Bali, particularly Singaraja. One of the main attractions in 8-meter statue of Bung Karno, which relates depicting the life of Bung Karno mother Ida Ayu Manara is remembered. The development concept varies to the themes of ecology and culture-based history, providing an educational, recreational experience. Park is equipped with complete facilities such as cultural art programs, dancing fountain, jogging tracks, park bench, kiosks, and toilets. Making it the perfect place to spend time in Buleleng, Bali. I think with your family or your friend, everything you want. And the entrance ticket is free. I don't pay anything when I enter to this place. Okay, that's all for my trip and thank you. See you soon. Bye.